conversation has shifted from our issues to issues about power, politics, positions, jobs. Last week, all of you in the media went to focus on the AU. AU, we have issues here in Kenya. A few weeks ago, my very good friend, Raila Amolo Odinga, expressed his desire for the AU chairmanship. And honestly, I believe he is the best man for the job. He will do this country proud and this continent proud. What I don't understand, however, is that since his declaration, the people's agenda, which we were made to believe is his coalition was championing, has been put on hold and he is now the focus. The Azimio coalition is dredging the political landscape and pulling out people who are part of Kenya's problems and presenting them as solutions. As the ruling Kenya Kwanza coalition is busy scheming on how to take credit for Mr. Odinga's candidacy. My friend Kalonzo has hit the road positioning himself to take over leadership. And it is my view, and I don't think I'm alone, that Kalonzo Musyoka is best following the path of Raila Amolo Odinga. He has been in elective politics for 40 years. He's part of the old order. He's got no change agenda. He should really be retiring and looking for different leadership in his Wiper party to come up to the national stage. It's a time to hand over to new people, fresh people, younger people,